Hi, I'm farm-to-table chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com, and today we're talking about how to water your plants with aluminum cans. So this is a great way to add consistent water at a slow drip to plants that really like a lot of moisture, like a tomato plant. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your aluminum can and we're going to clean it inside and out, and we're going to remove the label from it, and we'll just let it air dry. Once it's dried and ready to go, all you're going to do is support it firmly, make sure it doesn't slip, and we're just going to take a nail and puncture 3 individual holes around the bottom of the can. We're just going to do 3 holes because we want it to drain really slowly. That way the water will just slowly drip into the ground and absorb through the plant. So after we've done that, it's ready to go, and we're going to take it out into the garden. We want it to be about 3 feet away from the plant that we're trying to water, just to make sure not to damage any of the current and existing root system. We're going to bury it about 6 inches down, and you're just going to place the aluminum can right in the hole you've dug, and make sure to cover it with its original lid or with some plastic if it doesn't come with an original lid after we've filled it with water. And this will just slow drip into your plant's root system, and it's a great way to water with aluminum cans.